It's been too long. It's family reunion.
Mic check, mic check.
We got school y'all to the game.
1, 2.
You know what? Let's talk to him. Let's go.
Let's go. The wolves is out, nigga. Get him, boy.
Ain't nobody tryna rap gon' play me. I'll be at they crib with a couple hammers and a black old AV. Black gon' pay me, still get the smack off Baisley. Cause I'm touching more diesel than Shaq, old lady. Boy, you did it, I done it, I get it, I punish the shit that I come with. A separator rip from my stomach. I'm the boss, when I spit it, you love it. Matter of fact, I'm a Viking, I need a whole village to plumage. Yeah, the nigga is here, the city is scared. You got the throne, then I think I need to sit in your chair. We can really get physical here, and the sky's the limit, nigga. I'll put your whole clique in the air, baby. So quit playing, for the clip spray him, and have his ass MIA like Nick Saban. His whole shit caved in, my whole clique caveman. Hard body nigga, my whole shit pavement. You can't spit if you dead in the ground, in the woods where your head to be found. And it's good that you getting it now, in the precinct confessing it now. I can't fuck with the rest of you clowns.
I am the silence before the storm. Lincoln Park, the order born. Slang rock on the same block that the water on. I be more than gone. Run and get your order form. Next time I record a song, gon' put my daughter on. Cause she realer than most niggas. I tote triggers for you broke niggas and gold diggers with no figures. That's why I palm the heater for all you non-believers. I'm on your ass like white on rice. I'm Condoleezza. Better call the preacher. You tryna get on a feature. Better get your casket, bastard. I'm gon' eat ya. We ain't in the same weight class. Your fake ass couldn't stop a nigga with brake pads. I'm way past anything that you ever did. I'm better, kid, and we never sweat a bid. It's easy to get a sig. In the Bing, I'm like Ving Rhames. I bring pain. I sling cane off the wing like I'm King James. Y'all doubting who? When I spit the whole lead, they be calling cold red like Mountain Dew. Before I count to 2, you could get your back blown. Cause your gimmicks out of minutes like a track phone. Get back, Holmes, I'm back on my shit. I don't mingle, I'm like Pringles, stacking my chips. Clapping my fifth, you to test me tight. Coming out with a blade to get Wesley sniped. So the cops could arrest me, right? It's not happening. You ain't never gonna get on, so stop rapping. H2O coming this summer, so stop asking. All heat like Wall Street, you stop crashing. Now the feds wanna read his rights. Lord have mercy, Jesus Christ, I got passion. I'm blacking, all my niggas getting this fetty. We in the Chevy and ready to pop tags in.
See whatever you try and do, little niggas, I already done. And since you wanna live by it, little nigga, then die by the gun. See whatever you try and do, little nigga, I already done. So how the fuck you gon' win, little nigga? I already won.
Hey yo, money is the root of all evil, I thought. But when I'm broke is when I usually had the evilest thoughts. That's when the arms come out, like sleeves when it's short. With more bullets than your favorite wide receiver is caught. And then Randy Mossberg, your Steve Smith and Wesson, yeah. The shooters pop up like instant messenger. You got mail, nah nigga, you got shells. And my Mac you can't use for eye chat. I got that, confuse that with lie flat. And my gat is on leg like thigh tat. I that nigga, who you do? Some broke niggas who tryna get some YouTube views. So unless you want it point blank, boy, you're too close. Bells in pocket, this is Lawyer Lou Los. I'm pretty sure more hotties see me in that four-door Roddy. Double pipes like it's sawed-off shoddy, nigga.
I flow sickly, riding, bumping old Biggie. Roll with me or lose weight, Nicole Richie. Fuck flat if I don't reach diamond fame. I treat a nigga face like that old Simon game. Figured out why men try us, cause we OD on rims and thin tires. For that we live by us, all it takes is a punch. He ain't brave, he a punk. Put his family in boxes, beat the Brady Bunch. How y'all feel yourselves? To kill yourselves, us cowboys don't need you. You build parcels, and you ain't gotta empty your pockets when the K's out. Whatever you holdin' is mine, you my PayPal. You don't get how this guy is a threat. I make his life a net for a pie to the neck, ride or die. Do both niggas ride to the death. I acapella the whole left side of his chest. Not retiring, still got that pension pending. Tryna pop the hood and see the engine missing. Double barrel shotgun, had your men get missing. She got pretty brown eyes and she in mint condition. Or the sig in the car. You You dissing moi, take the ratchet, go home and just crisp Benoit. Tell a bird like it is, you promised the broad, I one-liner. You Isaiah Thomas the broad. I can send a clip cartridge at a nemesis target and catch your ROR on some Genesis charges. Nah, I'll put the thing away. I don't even need a whole hairdo to flip them. All it takes is one finger wave. Been in the bank for days, show you how I'm real. Come home to the truck with the Optimus Prime grill. Handed out crack, got the scene popping off. They not sleeping on them, the fiends is knotting off. For real, tell me Cal, you a thug and you Superman. I just seen you in the club doing a Superman. A bunch of clowns home, all I need in this world is the pound chrome, Huxtable brownstone, major paper, cake by the layers. If these dudes is live, I'm the creative player. They calling them kings when they so hot. Something's wrong with that picture, must be photoshopped. I don't promote violence, but was sparking the flame. Arms start waving like the Carlton Banks dance. When them tunes go pop and move whole blocks. Coming around with your dog or get Cujo shot. These MCs is lame. I try to be an MC with brains. These niggas is MC brains. Being nice, rappers is far from being nice. I'm on a rooftop recording. Niggas is being sniped. That's like
whatever you try and do, little niggas, I already done. And since you wanna live by it, little nigga, then die by the gun. See, whatever you try and do, little nigga, I already done. So how the fuck you gon' win, little nigga? I already won.